Curious lang ako ha. Ano kayong feeling maging pangit kahit one day lang? Nakakapagod na kasi everyday.
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time.
Kumakain ba kayo ng gulay?
Opo.
Anong gulay ang paborito mo?
Sinigang.
Nasa bahay kubo din yun!
Sagot. Alam mo ba yung gulay? Magbigay ka ng sample ng gulay.
Magic sarap.
Uy! Kilala kita eh. Ikaw si... Nakalimutan ko. Can I call you mine?
May sasabihin ako sa'yo.
No.
Okay. Sige.
Because my name is yours. Hi, I'm yours.
Gusto kita, alam mo ba? Gusto kita, okay lang ba?
Alam mo, Steve, makinig ka mabuti. Hindi lahat ng lalaki manloloko. Kasi yung mga babae, pinili nyo ang mga gwapo kaysa seryoso.
Tayo na lang dalawa, tayo na lang magsama, tayo na lang...
Hoy, TikTok ka ba?
Bakit mo nasabi?
Kasi wala akong ibang choice kundi pusuan ka.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっと
Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream, nothing more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile.